Hello students, hope you are enjoying your holiday homework. Today we are going to learn how to create a PDF file using the app CamScanner. So CamScanner can be downloaded from the Google Play Store for Android mobile phones and can be downloaded from Apple Store for iPhones. Now when you download the CamScanner app, click on the app and get entered into the app. Now you can see that the front page of the CamScanner has been opened. There is an option of camera icon showing on the bottom right corner of the screen. So when you click on the camera icon, you can see that the camera of your mobile handset will get open and get focused on the page on which you want to create a PDF file. Now suppose I want to create a PDF file of this page. Go to the docs option and again click on the camera icon. Now you can see that the image has been captured. Now drag these lines to the end of the page so that the whole of the page is being occupied. So I'll drag this green line or dots to the end of my page so that the whole of my page gets scanned. Now next, click on the next icon present on the right hand side. So I'll click on the next. So my page get enhanced and scanned. Now click on the option save. So you have saved one page of your PDF file. For the second page, now click on to the tab to add new page over here. So for the second page, again follow the same procedure. Now I am clicking on the second page of my book. So now you can see that I have clicked on the second page and I am dragging these icons to the end of my page so that I'll get a scanned copy of all the page. Now click on the next button again and you can see that an enhanced image will be created. So save this option over here and now you can click on this option present on the right hand side on the top of your mobile screen, these three dots, and click on the rename option. So you will get the rename option over here. Now type the class in which the student studies. So I am typing over here class. Suppose the student is studying in class 7. Insert an hyphen and insert the subject name. Suppose I am inserting the subject name as computer, again the hyphen and name of the student. Suppose the name of the student is Raman Deep and click on OK. So you can see that the file name has been changed from class 7 computer to Ramandeep Singh. Now click on the share button present over here on the top of the file and click on the share PDF file option. So you can go to the share PDF file option. You can see that a share button will be present on the top of your screen. Click on the share button and you can see that the options of sharing will appear on the screen. Now click on the mail which you have available like Gmail or Ymail. Click on that and insert the ID of the teacher that has been provided to you by the school. So suppose I am typing over here any email ID to which I have to send my holiday homework. So yes, click on next option over here and you can send the file to your respective subject teacher. So in this manner you have to create the PDF file of your holiday homework of one subject, rename it according to the class, subject and student name and send it to the corresponding subject teacher. Hope you understand how to create a PDF file and how to share it using either Gmail or Ymail. Thank you, students.